Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we'll work very hard to earn both. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.